Hey guys, welcome again in this another tutorial video, and this is the fourth video on the topic methods in Java, and in this video we will talk about Java scope and method scope. So for those who don't know me or new here, hey guys, I'm Ujjwal and I make Java tutorial just like this. So if you're interested in those stuff, then please consider subscribing. Now I hope you're doing great and ready to learn. So let's kick this video. So guys, what is this Java scope? So in Java, variables are only accessible inside the region they are created. Like for variable x equals to 10, this is the reason and it is created inside this parenthesis and we can only use inside this. This accessibility is called a scope, which means we can use this x equals to 10 only for this. So this is gonna be the scope for this. If we just take it and cut from here and we try to paste here and we try to use it, the compiler will not allow us to use it because this is the scope, and now we are defining this variable outside the scope. And you can see here it says there is a red mark, and if we put our cursor on that, it says non-static field x cannot be referenced for a static context. Like it is not allowing us to use this x because it is out of the scope, not inside the scope. Now let's talk about method scope. So guys, what is method scope? So variable declared inside a method are available anywhere in the method, following the line of code in which they are declared or following the parentheses in which they are declared. For example, or to demonstrate that, I have made a class here. The name of my class is Java method 4, and also I have created a method here. The name of the method is add, and the working will be the addition. I believe you know how to create a method from a last video, but if you don't know, I will definitely put the link in the description. I would recommend you check that once. Meanwhile, let's go ahead and see. Here we have made a method here, and it is a parameterized method because we're passing a parameter, like we are saying int x and int y. And as per the definition, we can use anywhere. If we create a method, we can use these values anywhere inside our scope, and this is the scope for our method. So either in the last example we saw we cannot use that here after this, but in this we can also use here. We can just go ahead and say x equals to 10, and we are giving we are initializing the value for the x, and the new value is 10. So by creating method, we can use those variables anywhere inside our method scope, and here we have done the same thing. Now we can just go ahead and give the input in the main function. We can say x equals to 3 and y equals to 4, and we can run the program to see the output. Let's go ahead and do that. So here we have the output, guys, that says 7 because we passed 4 and 3, that is equals to 7. And that's all for this vid, guys. I hope you understand the concept of method scope and Java scope. Please subscribe to the channel and like this video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.